Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana and I'm slapping my phone. I just got out of work and I am exhausted. I just worked 8 hours and we're so busy because they've been closing all the pharmacies around us, or pharmacies, the labs around us, and so for some reason they don't have any labs open on Sundays, so everybody's coming to me. Yay! So we used to do like 10 patients and it was easy and I could just sit there and do my homework. We had like 70 patients today. It was insane. It's like so busy. You didn't have time to do anything. So I just got out and this is my Thrifting for Baby series. Yay! So because my lab is close to the Seavers, I'm gonna run in and hopefully I'll be able to find a whole bunch of stuff for this kiddo. We know what we're having, so you'll probably be able to tell like by what I'm picking out. But yeah, hopefully we'll find some stuff because I've been looking at clothes and everything is so expensive, and losing my other job, it's been so hard. Oh my god, just to keep up on bills. So I'm trying so hard to just make ends meet right now. So this kid's gonna be naked. It's gonna be naked a lot, and it's probably gonna sleep with me because I can't afford a crib, but I will figure it out, right? So thrifting for baby, let's go into Seavers. It's Seavers. I hope nobody's in that car because they're gonna be like, why are you filming me? Alright guys, so I came straight here and they had so much stuff. Oh my god. But I'm like, I don't know if I want my baby to be putting their mouth on some of this stuff, you know. But they have like really cute things, and I found some crib sheets. So I'm just like kind of going through them. They're $2 each. This one's kind of decent. I'm gonna have to inspect all this stuff. But they have like a whole bunch of stuff. Look at this one. It's like dinosaurs. Oh, I love dinosaurs. This is like a whole set, this Mickey thing. There's that, and then oh, right here, the comforter. They have so much stuff. Oh, this one's like princesses. Should make my baby a blanket. Which is this one? Look at this, for $1.99. But I'm gonna have to look and make sure that they're not like stained to pieces, you know. God, I'm dropping everything. This one's soft. Alright, so one of their clothes, I feel like it's not worth it. Like this, even though they're cute, if it came with a shirt, it would be worth $2.99. You know, these are from probably Walmart. So, like, I don't know. I'm not like sold. Beautiful little princess. And I'll think about. Clothes are so tiny. I need like long sleeves though because she's gonna be born in October. It's a newborn. Oh god. No thank you. Oh, that one has like a little mouse. Alright, we'll look at that because it's $1. That's $1 too. Alright, we'll look at this too. Can you hear me breathing? I feel like I'm always out of breath. Oh, look at that. It's kind of cute. My poor kid's always going to be in like sweatpants. Oh god, I dropped it. And today I'm only looking at baby stuff. I don't want to look at anything else. Oh, that's cute. No little mousies. That looks really used. Okay guys, so I am out and I did good. I did really good. So powering. Oh, I might think I'm paired.
Waiting for powering.
You guys are probably like, what are you doing? Yeah, so so it's probably just sitting there like I was paired to my Bluetooth, so it wasn't gonna listen to me speak. But I didn't know. Like, so, all right, first of all, that store smells like piss. Like, straight, like, I want to pop some tags. Like, like, yeah. Like, the thrift shop, like, song, like, no, seriously, it smells like pee so bad, and I could only be in there for a couple minutes. So I went in there. I only looked at baby clothes because I'm on a tight budget and I'm not trying to buy things that I do not need at the moment. So my car is a mess, but look at, I got all of this. So I got a whole entire bag, and it was what was it, $32.94. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I have no money in my account, so don't try to steal my information. Yeah, so $32.94. So apparently I had a coupon on there because I come here a lot. That's literally my garbage, and it's up because I have a case of water that I bring with me everywhere because all I want to do is drink water. But but my car is disgusting. Yes. I got tons of stuff, so I'll go ahead and I'll do a haul once I get home. But it came to like $42, and then it was like, do you want to use a coupon? And I was like, I always want to use a coupon. So I went ahead and I used my coupon or rewards or whatever it was, because I have a Savers Club card, and it brought it down from $42 to 30. What did I say? I don't remember. $32.94, so I saved $10. But I got like a whole bunch of stuff. So I got like 2 crib sheets, because you know that you're gonna need crib sheets, like babies, especially like newborn babies and their blowouts. Yeah, I got long sleeve, I got short sleeve, I got a couple pants, I got some pajamas. There was one thing that has like a little bit of a stain on it, so I'm gonna see if I could try to get it off, but other than that, it's good. But I'm gonna be driving home right now, so wish me luck, because it is 6 o'clock and I'm probably gonna hit rush hour even though it's Sunday. So I'll see you when I get home. Bye. Hey friends, how are you? So it is me. Probably gonna see me a lot, because I've been like, oh, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna do a haul, and then guess what, I never do the haul, because I come home and then I get caught up in dinner and cleaning, and then I collapse and I fall asleep, and then the next thing I know is I'm like up the next day running around doing a million things. So with that being said, I'm so sorry, but there is a haul coming, so just watch out for that. But remember, I'm not really a liar, but I'm kind of kind of not keeping my promises when I'm saying that I'm doing a haul later on. But I am so thankful that you watched this video. So go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and you will definitely see a haul coming soon, okay? Alright guys, sorry, I don't feel good. I'm like very sick right now. So I will see you later, okay? Bye.